Guys, get with RPM Diecast, and today we're doing big box of Hot Wheels number 2. I got a bunch of Mainlines here that we're going to crack open. I haven't decided if I'm going to put them on the spinner or not. I might just zoom in on the camera with my big sausage finger, show you the car, and then at the very end we'll put them up on my display, which should get me a little bit closer to it being full, because I've got maybe about 20 or so cars that I need to put up there. So yeah, let's hop right into it. There's going to be a mixture of cars. There's a couple motorbikes and stuff, but I'm very excited. So let's go to the first car. The first one that I got is a custom 2015 Ford Mustang. Your music playing. Trouble focusing. Maybe I will put these on the spinner. I won't for this car, but then I'll do the next ones on, probably on the spinner. But yeah, next car. Next car is a Zamak, Mustang funny car. I think this is new too. Yeah, this is one out of the new case that we got here in Canada. It's a US card, guaranteed for life, which we do not. It doesn't say that on our cards, but it does on the States ones. The next one we have is a 2018 Bentley Continental GT3. Close up of my beard. Big sausage fingers out of the way. Next one is this is the treasure hunt. So I'm gonna grab the regular one first. So this is an OCC Splitback. I'm starting to do bikes now. Really nice bike. Next one I got is another bike, but it is the treasure hunt. It's another OCC Splitback, but treasure hunt, older treasure hunt. Ooh, this orange is, it's like the opposite of the one I just showed. So this one's orange and black, and this one is black and orange. But really nice bike. I'm trying to find the way to hold this so my big sausage fingers aren't in the way. The next one we have is a 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko. The next one we have is a BMW Z4M Motorsport. Oh, nice. I like this card art. The next one is a Porsche 918 Spider. Ooh, that one popped off really nice. Really nice. Shaking it because I'm just the way I'm holding the car. This one is this was a new model for 2011. It's the 63 Studebaker Champ. Oh, you know what's one thing I really like about this? I'll show you. And it's a small, smaller detail, but I love the white lettering on the wheels. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Studebaker's got tail lights and headlight details. Tonneau cover, that's kind of cool. I'm not going to try and open it, even though I want to. Okay, the next one is another bike, actually. It's a 1966 Triumph Tiger. The guy on it. The Tiger 100. That is pretty cool. Little bullet in the front. That's cool. Next we've got a Nissan 370Z. Faster than ever. 11. Got detailed headlights, but no detailed taillights. But it does have the 370Z logo and Nissan logo on the back. But yeah. Next one is a '94 Bugatti EB110 SS. Blue. This was part of the exotic series. Really nice Bugatti logo. Plastic headlights, like there is part of the interior casting, part of the casting. It's got the name of it on the license plate. Oh, it's got detailed taillights too. That's awesome. Have is a Porsche 911 GT3 RS. This is nice. Holy. Darker blue. This was a new model for this year. Oh no, 2011 Premiere. Lots of new models on the bottom. Plastic spoiler. Red windows to go with the red rim. Nice touch. Oh, and the red livery on the side. The tampos, that's awesome. Like a metallic blue paint. Detailed headlights, no detailed taillights. Let's see there. This one I've got is it's an older one, a BMW 850i with the red interior. This looks wicked. Like, look at this interior. Big old monkey hands. Red interior. Oh my gosh. This paint is beautiful. Look at the shimmer. Oh my. Red interior, gold rims. My goodness. This might be one of my favorite castings. This is nice. Next we got a McLaren F1 GTR. Still got a price tag on it, so I yank it off. Not our price tag of wherever it was bought originally before it was sold to us, but we buy collections and stuff, so we get a lot of stuff with price tags from Zellers and Sears. And this one, the spoiler's part of the casting, it's not plastic. Detailed headlights, no detailed taillights. Beautiful car. The next one we have is the 71 Porsche 911. We got is a, I don't remember putting this in there actually. And for those who are wondering, it's this one. I don't remember putting this in here because I don't know why I put that in there. Might have been for the other. Anyway, Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Great. Now I did one of these in blue in the last video I did, unboxing stuff. Red interior. Oh yeah. Detailed headlights. No detail in the headlight or in the taillights. The next one is a Ford GT. Detailed headlights. Beautiful car. No detail on the taillights, which I'm seeing is more common. Maybe it's just a lot of them don't even have like detailed headlights or taillights. Ford logo on there, really nice. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3 left. Next one is a McLaren P1 from the same set as that yellow Porsche. Next one we have is a Datsun 620 truck. I'm going to cut all the zooming in and out. Nice burp in the background. And the last but not least is a 2017 Acura NSX from the same set as the Porsche and the McLaren. one has detailed headlights and taillights, even though the maybe it did. Yeah. There we go. Okay, so I forgot I had some cars on my desk. So now I'm going to open those. This will be after the box is done, but I don't know how I forgot these. But there's 3 bikes. This is the first one. Now this is one of the fantasy castings from Hot Wheels, but it's a dirt bike. It's pretty cool. And I dropped it. These big old meats. How to... This one is a BMW. No, actually, I'll get all the motorbikes or the dirt bikes done first. But the BMW K1300R is the last motorbike in here. Yep. This is actually a Matchbox. It was the first. They were the first ones to do the C8 Corvette. But it's really nice, like metallic blue almost. It's like a lighter blue though than the Hot Wheels. The Hot Wheels one's like way darker than this, but I love this one. Detailed headlights, taillights. Really nice casting. The last one I've done is I've already done before, but I traded it for something else a customer brought me. I can't remember what it was, but it's the '83 Chevy Silverado. Square body. Now square bodies are becoming huge. I mean, they've always been kind of popular, but lately I'm getting asked a lot more for square bodies. But gorgeous truck. But yeah. So that was it from the stuff from my desk that I forgot about. But yeah. Alright, well now that they're all unboxed, I'm going to go and put them on my shelf, and then we will wrap this video up. A big box of Hot Wheel Mainlines #2. There'll probably be more of these, you know, as time goes on, just because I keep collecting and stashing and stuff away. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, check out some of our other videos, and keep on collecting.